everyone, I am the Roaring Rat and welcome to a new design doll video. Today's going to be a very quick one because I recently received a message on one of my previous videos asking something a bit more specific that I'm going to try and assist on. And it's from Eugene Malacca, and they are asking, what if you already have a character and you just need to import the pose? Very simple to do, and I'm going to show you a quick method on how to do that. So we're going to start off with the default model that we have in Design Doll. I'm going to show you how to import a pose from any other model, and we'll do that by demonstrating it on the Doll Altair website. Now, this is Terrawell's website. I've shown this one before. If you're ever looking for poses, you simply type in Terrawell software or 3D Design Doll software. You will find it if you do a quick search on Google, but the address is here and I'll put a link to it down below. But you have a selection of poses up here if you don't want to make one by yourself. Quite a lot of people have been generously donating their own models for free. So if we go into a sitting pose right here, and I'm going to pick this one here because it's going to show how you do not need to have the exact same model in order to have the pose. This one is entirely different from the default model. Oh, for goodness sake, I clicked the wrong one. So tap on the little link bar, it's going to open up a new tab, and then we're going to copy the DA number, go back into the program, and we're going to enter DA number. Usually when you tap on there it does it automatically, or you'll just paste it in yourself. Press enter, and now the model has appeared. So as you can see, entirely different from the default model. So if I want to get this pose into this model, how do I do it? First of all, delete the original pose tag on the model that you selected. So delete, and then we have a T-pose. Easy peasy to do. Now you're going to go to the pose tag on the other model. Right click, copy, make sure the right model's highlighted, paste, and there we go. Same pose, different model, absolute easy peasy. But let's try something a little bit different now. Say I have a model from a different file. That's an easy one to do as well. Now suppose that your model is in a different file. So what I'm going to do is delete the base model, and right now all I have is the imported model that I got from the Doll Altair website. So if I were to copy that, and then I opened up a new file. Not going to bother saving this, I don't need to for this one. I can still go into paste and it still works. So it doesn't matter if it's from a different file. All you have to do is just copy and paste it from another file. Easy peasy to do. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I do appreciate you checking out my videos. It means so much to me that these videos reach out to a lot of people and you're getting a good use out of them. Now, next week I'm going to be releasing a new video on importing interactive objects into 3D Design Doll. Example being importing a sword and how to attach it to a hand. I'm very excited on doing that one and demonstrating how to do it very simply and smoothly for everyone to understand. Please follow me on Twitter for any updates on that, and I look forward to seeing all your comments on this video too. Also, later this week I'll be releasing a new video reviewing the latest Kickstarter funded project, How to Think When You Draw. So to keep updated on that, please click the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on what kind of content you want to see from this channel. I'm very interested in engaging with all of you and knowing what you want to see in the future. So take care everyone, love you all to pieces, and be safe out there. Bye now.